Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video. Today we're going to be comparing the Dyson V15 and the Samsung Jet 90 vacuum cleaner to see which one's better. So the main difference between Dyson V15 and the Samsung Jet 90 vacuum cleaner is the design. The Dyson V15 has a stick design with a slim profile, featuring a detachable wand, which makes it lightweight and easy to maneuver. The Samsung Jet 90 has a more traditional upright design, with a wider cleaning head and a larger dustbin capacity. In this category, it's a tie, since the design preference is subjective. Filtration technology. The Dyson V15 has a more advanced filtration system that captures more microscopic dust and allergens. Samsung Jet 90 has a highly effective multi-layer filtration system. With the more advanced filtration technology, the Dyson V15 vacuum cleaner is better. Battery life. The Samsung Jet 90 has a longer battery life than the Dyson V15, with up to 60 minutes of runtime versus the Dyson V15's 50 minutes. Therefore, the Samsung Jet 90 is the better option for this category. Accessories. The Samsung Jet 90 includes a turbo brush, crevice tool, dusting brush, soft brush, and mini motorized tool, among others. The Dyson V15 comes with a high-torque cleaner head and combination tool. The Samsung Jet 90 is better because it comes with a wider range of accessories. Comparison table. Dyson V15 is a stick vacuum with an advanced filtration system, while the Samsung Jet 90 is an upright vacuum with a multi-layer filtration system. The Samsung Jet 90 comes with a wider range of accessories than the Dyson V15, while the Dyson V15 is generally priced higher than the Samsung Jet 90. Similarities. The main similarity between the Dyson V15 and Samsung Jet 90 vacuum cleaners is that they're both cordless and run on rechargeable batteries. They're also both designed to be lightweight and easy to maneuver. Verdict. So, which is better? The Samsung Jet 90 vacuum cleaner is the better choice because it's affordable and has a longer battery life. Also, the Samsung Jet 90 comes with more accessories. However, if you're looking for more advanced filtration technology, the Dyson V15 would be the better pick. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also let us know which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.